Bro.
What's up?
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
This is literally about to be the most insane thing we probably ever do. Oh God, we're pulling up to the gate right now.
We are inbound, boys. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let's get it.
We're gonna do this right now. We're walking in now. The tension, I would say, is officially being built.
Here. How many are you jumping? 2 of you?
Yeah.
Right here. Fill this all out. Passport, driver's license number there, where it's from. Somebody call in case you get hurt.
Okay. All right, now I gotta fill shit out. What's the date today? This is 7.
No point knowing, I'm not gonna live through it. Alright, so it says emergency contact. I'm gonna put you, so if I die, they call you, and if you die, just put my number so they call me, you know?
Alright, sounds good. Sounds good. Oh man, this is a tiny spot to. I did it way too big.
Don't know what happened to me.
Is
Way
that
too
true?
small a spot. Height? How tall am I? Like 7 feet?
Height 14,000 feet.
Alright,
Almost time. It's almost time.
tea time. 10 minutes. So it makes you fly so that you get the fucking California.
Look at this guy. We're about to jump out of a plane. This guy's just eating a burrito, just casually eating a burrito. This dude's hilarious. Yo, we're strapped up in this thing right now. Look at this. This is seriously, this is crazy. So I thought we were gonna have to leave the camera in the car, but the dude was really cool, and he's gonna let us bring it over there just so we can film a little bit beforehand, and we're just gonna leave it all with him. Sorry I'm moving you guys around so much, but Tyler,
What's up?
strapped up.
Let's go.
Yeah, make your final calls. Make your final calls.
What? It's a business phone call.
Let's see our instructor, if he's cool with that.
What up, guys? Hey, quick question. Have you guys used any drugs or alcohol in the last 8 hours?
Nah.
You want to? You got a couple minutes, man. Let's go make this shit real fun, huh?
I told you, this dude's funny. This dude's funny. I asked him how long the free fall was. He's like, well, it could be for the rest of your life.
It's over, man. Peter Pan, right?
This is gonna be fun. They're gonna record the footage with a GoPro on the way down. I mean, and hopefully landing, so. But we'll definitely land, just how fast is the question. So, we'll see. We'll see. I hope we can get some good footage for you guys. That's what I'm really amped about right now. Tyler.
Let's go.
He's ready too.
Yeah.
Not our plane. That's right, man. Huck and sort. You'll figure it out. All right, Davin, man. What's going on? What's the deal? Why are you wearing what you're wearing?
I just decided to come in some normal clothes, just like, this is gonna be crazy.
That's right.
If I'm gonna die, I wanna die comfortable.
And today you decided. Today he found out what he was doing.
We're going skydiving
Let me tell you this. This guy had no idea. This guy had no idea. I literally called him while he was at work and told, hey, leave your job, just come out here, trust me. And he trusted me.
And he did it like an idiot.
Yeah.
He did it.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know what he was thinking. Why would he trust me? Now he's gonna hop out of a plane and like, hopefully we'll make it.
Well, you ready to show him what a cool friend you are today?
Yeah,
Ready to go have some fun, huh?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, buddy. Here we go. there. Yeah, buddy. Say what's up right here, man. That's how you do it. I'm going to Mexico, baby. Davin, brother, say what's up. That's how you bring a plan together, man.
That was by far the most awesome thing I've done.
This dude rocks right here.
Hilarious.
You coming back for more, man? Yeah. That's right, with Kevin every time, suckers.
Do this. This is great.
Go find your boy down there, go celebrate them. Pleasure jumping you, man. We'll see you soon. Ah!
Yeah, we made it. That's a plus. How was it? What'd you think?
Decent.
Decent? You down to go again?
Yeah, should've went faster.
It should have went faster. I'm not sure how much faster you can go. I mean, it was a little nerve-wracking right before like actually hopping out of the plane, but honestly, like once you are like flying down, it's dope. It's like on another level.
What?
All right, I just got back home and I'm still honestly amped. That was one of the craziest things I've ever done, and I guarantee we're gonna be doing it again. I think we're gonna go get some food now. But if you enjoyed this, please go hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be making a lot more of these videos, I promise, all right? So until next time, guys.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Way you got me feeling